Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing all great. And your girl is back with another makeup video, which is like a simple easy rose gold smoky makeup look just to match my beautiful dress. And I don't know why, but I'm just feeling this pinkish rose gold makeup look, so I created this beautiful makeup look for you all. If you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching.
You and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine. Yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric.
All for watching this tutorial with me, and I hope you guys really learned something from this tutorial, and your comment and love means a lot, so please don't forget to leave some comments on this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.